How to find Roblox server reason. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can find Roblox server reason. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up roblox.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now in order to find your Roblox server reason, open up a new tab and in the search bar search for Chrome Web Store, or you can simply search for BT Roblox. Click on the first link on your interface and here you have to add BT Roblox to your Chrome. So here click on add to Chrome. If you have already added, now you can head back to the Roblox, and once you have added BT Roblox, you have to refresh your page once, and here if you click on this extension icon, make sure you have BT Roblox right here with the full access. Now click on the settings icon in the top right corner from your home page and here click on BTR Settings. Once you get this kind of interface, here you have to scroll all the way down and head towards the advanced, and on the advanced scroll down a bit and there you have this games detail dot show server reason. Click on it and here select reason. Once you have done that, now you can close this. After that, select one of the game or experience from here, click on it. After you do that, if you scroll all the way down, there you have the servers right here. If you click on exclude full servers, then also all of the list of the server are displayed on this interface. So in this way you can find a server reason on Roblox, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.